Hi everyone, my name is Katie Bruce. I'm a kindergarten teacher at Briarwood Elementary School in Prairie Village, Kansas, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use Flat Icon. Flat Icon is a website only, it is not an application, and it does require Wi-Fi, but it can be opened on any web browser. So I have my web browser open here, and I am going to type in flaticon.com, and I'm going to press enter on my keyboard. Now I have access to my Flat Icon website right here. This is going to be the opening page that you see. The first thing that you can do is you either need to log in or sign up. To do that, you're going to go to the top right corner, press the person that you see. I've already created an account, so it's giving me the option to log in. You can also right here sign up. So let me get logged in. Once you're logged into Flat Icon, it is going to give you the options to begin searching. First, let's go over pricing. Flat Icon at a basic level can be used for free, but they also give you premium option, which gives you more things that you can do with your icons, and here are the prices listed. I'm going to return to the home screen by pressing Flat Icon in the top left. So I would like to show you how you can search for icons. Right here, we have a search button, and it allows you to type in any sort of icon that you might want to find. So I'm going to type pencil, and I'm going to press search. Here it is showing me pencil icons. It's giving me 101,561 pencil icon options. They also come with stickers, which you can click here. So I'm going to click stickers, and it's going to show me all the different pencil stickers that it has. It also has animated icons, so these should be moving in one way or another once they load. So see how that pencil's writing for me. And then they also have interface icons, which are going to look more like what you would see on the internet or as an emoji. I'm going to go back to our original icons, and I'm going to select a pencil that I may want to use in my classroom. This one looks very kindergarten friendly, so I'm going to select it here. Once you're looking at your icon, if you would like to edit it, you're going to press edit in the top right. The first option that it gives you is to change the colors of the icon. So I'm going to try and change that blue band right above the eraser. I notice it has two different color blues, so those are the two I'm seeing here. I'm going to click the blue that I want to change, and I'm going to choose a new color. I'm going to make it a pink or purple pencil. Now, and saved that color for me. So for my second blue, I'm going to just click the same color, and now I have a purple band on my pencil. You can also pick display. You can make it smaller, larger, move it side to side, up and down, rotate it, or flip it. So I'm going to go ahead and make it back to smaller so it fits in there. Now, if I want to save this pencil to come back to later, I'm going to press Save to Collection. Or if I am ready to download it right now, I'm going to go ahead and press this green download button. Being that it's on the free version, it only allows me to select PNG, so I'm going to press that. I'm just going to press the lowest quality one, and then I'm going to press free download. It reminds you that you need to give credit to the author, so I'm going to copy that so that I can give credit to the author when I use it in my classroom. It is now downloaded here to my download, so I'm going to click it, and it opens up for me in my Finder. It's super, super tiny, so let me zoom in. That is showing you the really bad quality. So when you're downloading it, you are going to want to press a higher quality. Now, one other feature that it has is you can simply copy it and paste it to somewhere else. So I'm going to press an X. I'm going to go back to my pencils here. It gives you quick icons that you can use, so you can add it to the collection, copy it to your clipboard, or download. If I want to copy it to my clipboard, I'm going to press, copy, PNG. Now it gives me confirmation. I can go to whatever project I may be working on and simply paste it in. I'm going to paste it in here. Let's say I'm making something for my classroom and I want to spice it up with some icons. Other ways that you could use this in your classroom would be for visuals. Teaching kindergarten visuals are very important, very, very effective with working with my ELL students. I could present them, create, edit, and present them with visuals to help them with the language barrier in my classroom. Flat icon relates to Bloom's taxonomy, as we were able to use it to create something new, which is that highest tippy point of the Bloom's taxonomy pyramid. And flat icon relates to the SAMR model at the simplest stage of substitution. It allows people to quickly find, edit, and use digital icons instead of having to physically create them or hope to find one that you like in Google Images. Overall, I'm really excited about using this app for my classroom, specifically for my ELL students. If you're finished using it, you can log yourself out here. Thank you so much. Have a great rest of your day.